Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you an extremely clean tractor. This is a 2013 John Deere 5045D with a 553 quick attach front loader with John Deere quick attach bucket and a set of almost brand new Frontier pallet forks for it. This tractor is an extremely clean tractor. This actually belonged to a local college who sponsors a massive ag program in our area, and once a year they have a big week-long show. A lot of you will know what it is without me even saying it. This tractor was used at that event from the course of 2013 until 3 weeks ago, right before their new show. They bought a new tractor, and I was lucky enough to get this piece. This tractor was kept inside. It is extremely clean. The bucket, the forks are like new. You can see on the back, it had some implements on the back of it. They used a drawbar just a little bit. There is 697 hours on this tractor, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 697. But I believe you would be very hard pressed to find another one in a 2013 this clean, this nice. It is straight, it is not molested, it is not touched up. We washed and waxed this tractor. It is that nice of piece. We did go to our local John Deere dealer, West Central Equipment, and we did get a factory full set of filters for this tractor and changed everything so that we knew that it was serviced and ready to go to work for our customer. Again, if you're looking for a nice little utility tractor, it is a two-wheel drive tractor, but if you need something to run a tedder, if you need something to run a V-rake, if you need something in your utility operation of your farm with a loader, forks, here is something to take a look at that is a non-emissions tractor. This is right before the DPF stuff. It is a 13, and it'll still roll coal out the pipe. So we're going to walk you around this tractor. We're going to show you everything we know. We're going to start here underneath the hood. That little latch you're going to pull right here on this side. Under the hood, powered by a John Deere 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, or blow by, obviously. We call it the way it is here. All you people that follow our videos and whatnot, you'll see we tell it the way it is. That's why we take this time to do these videos. But again, we just did do a full set of factory John Deere filters on this. This is a 3-cylinder turbocharged engine. It does have a turbo on it. We're going to go ahead and shut this hood. Up front, you can see all of the zinc plating is on everything. It is, again, extremely clean. This tractor, we've washed, waxed it. It has been kept in. There's one little scuff up here on the hood. Excuse me. Other than that, very, very clean. Original paint still on the cutting edge of the bucket. You can see the bucket's like new. The cutting edge is crisp. The pallet forks, I had our detail guy left this on here. Here's the owner's manual for the pallet forks from John Deere. Never been unzip tied. There it is. The forks you can see have been used a few times. You know, very nice combination. 3-rip tire to front, Goodyear rubber. They are a 7.50 by 16 SL. In the rear, Goodyear 14928 Duratorx. Tires are going to be 85% on the tractor. Heavy front axle. Does have an axle here you can unpin and widen it out. 553 quick attach front loader. You can see how nice and straight the fenders are. I mean, the paint inside the fenders is like new. Again, I can't stress how clean this tractor is. It truthfully is a very clean tractor. Drawbar, 540 PTO, Cat 2, and you can see they had some implements hooked to the back for grounds work there. They did keep this tractor there doing a lot of mowing around there. You have a set of rear remotes. Factory John Deere top link is here with it. Up here, the only thing I can say, something scuffed this right here. I don't know what they had, a monitor or something was mounted here for a control maybe for their brush hog, I'm not sure. That has a scratch here, nothing wrong with the fuel tank, but it just has a scuff, and that's just me being 100% fair and honest. Floating roll bar. All of the zinc plating, even like on your sway arm controls and stuff, just absolutely beautiful. Rear tires are loaded. Again, you can see how nice and straight Everything is. I mean, the tractor, honest to God, speaks for itself. Let me head to the other side. So this is going to be an 8x8 tranny. So you're going to have range A with 4, range B with 4. Then you're going to have reverse with 4. PTO, in and out. Over on the other side will be up and down for your 3-point. And then your auxiliary is going to be there, forward and reverse. Up front here in your dash, 697 hours. All the gauges work. All the lights work. It does have this left-hand corner exhaust there coming out. Hand throttle, foot throttle, independent brakes, joystick loader control. And it does have suspension style seats. So toolbox here on the fender. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run around and show you there's anything it's supposed to do. There we go. Guys, there you have it. I just got to look that our camera battery is about dead. Very clean 2013 John Deere 5045D farm tractor. Very clean. I will go ahead and say that. There'll be a lot of keyboard warriors saying bull crap. This is probably one of the cleanest tractors you will find, just because of where it comes from. That particular college has a lot of money, very prestigious in this state of Pennsylvania. A lot of people know who I'm talking about without me saying it. So if you know, you know. So 814-658-3066. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be glad to help you. If you need shipping quote, whatever, we do have the books for it. 697 hours, tractor, loader, forks, bucket, ready to go. Nice package. If you want to come by and check it out yourself in person, please do so. We'll be glad to help you. I'm Nick Miller, as always, 814-658-3066. Keep in mind, there's a non-emissions tractor. So again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.